Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. This is the before. I just moved to a smaller apartment. Even if it's for temporary, I always like to change everything. Before I start my cleaning routine, I always do my laundry as I go. So I put my laundry, I put my clothes first and then do what I'm doing. Let the washer do its thing, and then once it's done, it's like I'm doing multitasking. This is a video collab with Yamaga Home. As you see, guys, there are some great laundry basket. You can use them in your laundry room or you can use it inside your closet. They have big and small, so it's all depend on what you want. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys. I like my house very well organized. Storage, bin, or any kind of storage is very important for me, so I can have all my stuff in place. It comes with 2 inserts for easy carry. Okay guys, let's start working and keep on watching. I'm using most of the stuff that I already have. Like I said, I don't buy stuff too often. I just move them places and then, change the look. Since it's already a small place, so I don't have to do too much. Guys, this steam cleaner is my best friend. Since I have my grandson coming over often, I like to steam clean everything because he puts stuff in his mouth so it doesn't put any dirty thing in his mouth. Okay guys, I'm changing the look right now. I don't know if people like me, I hate to see those blinds. If you are not renting, this part is not for you. You can skip it. We're moving them right now, but they are so easy to put back. As you can see, I'm gonna show you. You just slide it back in again the way it was, boom. So that easy. So I'm removing them and I'm going to use curtain instead of the blind. I'm gonna show you the closer look. As you can see, I remove one and then I put it right back. That easy. So remove them is another thing, but you must store them some great place so when you move in you can find them and replace them without you losing your money. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much guys. I'm truly grateful for all of you. Without you, I will never be where I am today. Thank you so much and keep on watching.
It's just another doorway to open up and see what kind of lifeline will be waiting there for me. I need to bury all these fears and let them fade away. I'm not scared, I'm prepared to find myself again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end, I'll rise up from the ashes, I wanna burn again, I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. I'm still healing. I won't give up, I'm still healing. I fight the pain that I once let kill my vibe. I feel the day.
Guys, you already know I love flowers. In all my videos you're gonna see flowers. So if you don't like flowers, you can replace it to something else, like some greeneries or some other things. But me, I'm in love with flowers. I love flowers.
I won't give up, I'm still healing. I fight the pain that I once let kill my vibe. I feel the day that I lose the chance
This wire, electric wire cover, I have them for a long time. As you can see from the box, is beat up. And I don't like to see the TV wires. I don't want to overdo, but at the same time, I want the place to look very presentable, very lovely, luxury, cozy, whatever you name it. I like this vibe, so that's the reason I just cover. I already have them anyway, so I cover them. And I have the paint. The landlord gave me the remaining of the paint, so he knows that I'm doing my YouTube, so he just give it to me. So say, Mercy, do your thing. So I'm doing my thing. But guys, a lot of things that I'm doing, you just have to have a okay from your landlord before you do so. It's very important. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep on watching. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know, what do you think? If you like it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like it, and share it. If you are decorating your place, the first thing to consider is lighting. This one from Overstock, it's simply beautiful, guys. I love it so much. Keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so very much for taking your time watching it. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.